Welcome to Lecture 34, the final video in our comprehensive blockchain course here on Edutube. Over the past series of lectures, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of blockchain. From the very basics and key features to in-depth discussions on real-world applications, advanced topics, and even practical use cases for businesses and career opportunities. This lecture is all about summarizing and recapping everything we've covered so you have a complete picture of how blockchain works, its potential, and how it can shape the future. In today's session, we'll review each module and highlight the key points, use everyday life examples to make the concepts even more relatable, explain how these topics connect to form a complete understanding of blockchain technology, and most importantly, remind you that the entire course is now available on our YouTube channel for you to revisit at any time. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's take a walk through our blockchain journey together. Detailed recap of the course Module 1. Introduction to Blockchain Lecture. 1. Introduction to Blockchain. We began our course by introducing the concept of blockchain. We discussed its evolution, starting from its early days, and highlighted its potential to transform industries. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that works like a highly secure diary, one that everyone can trust because every entry is transparent and immutable. Lecture 2. Key features of blockchain. Next, we explored the key features that set blockchain apart. Decentralization. No single authority controls it. Imagine a neighborhood where every resident plays a role in decision-making. Transparency. Every transaction is recorded for all to see, much like an open community bulletin board. Immutability. Once something is written, it cannot be changed, similar to writing in permanent ink. Other attributes: security, reliability, and the ability to foster trust. Lecture 3. How does blockchain work? We then broke down the mechanics of blockchain. We explained how blocks form chains and how cryptographic techniques like hashing secure the information. Imagine building a Lego tower where each brick is permanently fixed in place, ensuring the structure remains robust and unchangeable. Lecture 4. Types of blockchain. We discussed various types of blockchains. Public, open and accessible to anyone. Private, restricted to specific users. Consortium, controlled by a group of organizations. Hybrid, combining elements of both public and private blockchains. This classification helps you understand which type might suit different applications, much like choosing the right type of vehicle for your needs. Lecture 5. Common misconceptions about blockchain. Finally, in Module 1, we debunked several myths about blockchain, clarifying that it's not just about cryptocurrencies and that its applications extend far beyond digital currencies. Module 2. Core components of blockchain. Lecture 6. Distributed ledger technology, DLT. Explained. We dove into distributed ledger technology, DLT, which is the backbone of blockchain. Think of it as a shared notebook where everyone has a copy, ensuring that data is consistent and tamper-proof. Lecture 7. Nodes and their role in blockchain networks. This lecture explained what nodes are and how they function in a blockchain network. Imagine nodes as individual team members in a community who help verify and record every piece of information. Lecture 8. Consensus mechanisms. We explored different consensus mechanisms such as proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Picture a group of friends deciding on a restaurant by majority vote. This is similar to how consensus is reached on blockchain. Lecture 9. Hash functions. Hash functions are like digital fingerprints that ensure data integrity. Just as you can recognize someone by their unique features, hash functions uniquely identify data blocks. Lecture 10. Cryptography and blockchain. We introduced the basics of cryptography, the secret language that keeps blockchain secure. Think of it as a series of codes that only the right people can decipher, ensuring that information remains confidential and secure. Module 3. Blockchain applications in real life. Lecture 11. Blockchain in supply chain management. We looked at how blockchain is transforming supply chains by increasing transparency and efficiency. Imagine knowing the complete journey of your food, from farm to table, without any gaps. Lecture 12. Blockchain in healthcare. This lecture explored how blockchain can revolutionize patient data management, ensuring that your medical records are secure, accurate, and accessible only to you and authorized professionals. Lecture 13. We discussed the potential for blockchain to ensure fair and transparent voting systems, much like having a tamper-proof ballot box that everyone can trust. Lecture 14. Product tracking and authenticity. Blockchain can verify the authenticity of products, ensuring that what you buy is genuine. It's similar to checking a certificate of authenticity on a piece of art. Lecture 15. Blockchain in banking and financial services. Finally, in Module 3, we saw how blockchain is used in banking for faster, more secure transactions and how it underpins the world of digital currencies. Module 4, Smart Contracts and Decentralized Applications, DApps. Lecture 16, What are smart contracts? We introduced smart contracts, self-executing agreements that automatically enforce terms, much like an automatic vending machine that dispenses snacks when you pay. Lecture 17, How smart contracts. Work using simple examples, we demonstrated how smart contracts operate in real-world scenarios, ensuring efficiency and reducing the need for intermediaries. Lecture 18, Benefits and limitations of smart contracts. We discussed the advantages and potential drawbacks of smart contracts, helping you understand both their power and their limitations. Lecture 19, Decentralized Applications, DApps. An overview. This lecture provided an overview of DApps, which operate on decentralized networks. Think of them as apps on your smartphone, but powered by a secure, shared digital infrastructure. Lecture 20, Real-world examples of DApps. We showcased practical examples of DApps in use today, from gaming and finance to social media, highlighting how blockchain technology is integrated into everyday applications. Module 5, Advanced Blockchain Topics. Lecture 21, Introduction to Decentralized Finance, DeFi. We explored DeFi, which is transforming the financial landscape by removing traditional intermediaries. Imagine banking without the banks, direct, efficient, and transparent. Lecture 22, Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs. This lecture delved into NFTs, explaining how they represent unique digital assets, from art and music to real estate. Think of them as digital collectibles with verified ownership. Lecture 23, Blockchain Security. We covered the risks associated with blockchain and the best practices to mitigate them, ensuring that your digital assets remain secure. Lecture 24, Blockchain Scalability Issues and Solutions. Scalability is one of blockchain's biggest challenges. We discussed various solutions to enhance performance, such as Layer 2 scaling techniques, making blockchain as fast and efficient as modern digital services. Lecture 25, Understanding Interoperability. Between blockchains, we explained how different blockchain networks can communicate and work together, much like different smartphone operating systems connecting through universal standards. Module 6, Blockchain Development and Future Trends. Lecture 26, Blockchain Development Basics, No Coding Focus. This lecture provided an overview of blockchain development concepts without diving into complex code, making it accessible to everyone. Lecture 27, Introduction to Blockchain Platforms. We compared major blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot, explaining how each supports decentralized applications. Lecture 28, The Role of Blockchain in Web 3.0. We explored how blockchain underpins Web 3.0, the next evolution of the Internet, by empowering decentralized, user-controlled digital environments. Lecture 29, Future Trends in Blockchain Technology. This lecture looked into emerging trends including AI integration, DeFi expansion, NFTs evolution, quantum computing challenges, and government adoption of blockchain. We also discussed the shift toward greener, more sustainable blockchain practices. Lecture 30, Ethical and Environmental Impacts of Blockchain. We examined the ethical considerations and environmental challenges posed by blockchain technology. From data privacy and transparency to energy consumption and electronic waste, we discussed how the industry is working towards a more sustainable future. Module 7, Practical Use Cases and Wrap-Up Lecture. 31, Practical Applications for Small Businesses and Startups. We explored how small businesses and startups can leverage blockchain to improve payment processing, supply chain management, data security, and customer engagement through smart contracts and decentralized. We explored how small businesses and startups can leverage blockchain to improve payment processing, supply chain management, data security, and customer engagement through smart contracts and decentralized finance. Lecture 32, Career Opportunities in Blockchain. technology, we discussed the diverse career paths available in blockchain, from technical roles like developers and architects to non-technical roles in project management, marketing, legal, and consulting. We also provided guidance on how to start your journey in this promising field. Lecture 33. Summary and recap of the entire course. And now, in our final lecture, we bring everything together. This recap is designed to reinforce your understanding of the key concepts, practical applications, and future trends in blockchain technology that we have covered throughout this course. Bringing it all together. The big picture over. The course of these 33 lectures, we've built a strong foundation of knowledge that covers every aspect of blockchain technology. Here's how it all connects. We started by understanding what blockchain is, how it works, and its key features. Then we delved into the technical components, real-world applications, and advanced topics, gradually moving from basic concepts to more complex ideas. This progression is like learning to cook, from understanding ingredients to mastering full-course meals. Whether you're interested in the coding and technical side or more drawn to business, legal, or marketing applications, our course has something for everyone. We've shown that blockchain isn't just for developers. It's a multidisciplinary field that offers opportunities for diverse talents. Each module included daily life examples that make the concepts relatable. For instance, we compared blockchain's transparency to a community bulletin board and its immutability to writing in permanent ink. These analogies help demystify the technology and show how it can be applied in everyday scenarios, from tracking your favorite products to ensuring secure financial transactions. We didn't just stop at what blockchain is today, we also explored where it's heading. Discussions on Web 3.0, future trends, and sustainable practices give you a glimpse into a future where blockchain plays an integral role in a more secure, decentralized, and innovative digital world. In the final modules, we focused on practical applications and career opportunities, ensuring that you have actionable insights. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline operations or a professional considering a career shift, our course equips you with the knowledge to take the next step. Final thoughts and next steps. As we wrap up this course, we want to remind you that every single lecture, from the basics of blockchain to its advanced applications, has been uploaded right here on the Edutube channel. You can revisit any lecture at your convenience, and each video is designed to build upon the last, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience. Here's what you can do next. Review the course playlist. Check out the complete playlist to refresh your understanding of any topics you found particularly interesting. Engage with the community. Leave your comments, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Your feedback helps us improve and expand our content. Stay updated. Subscribe to Edutube if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We are constantly exploring new trends and topics in blockchain technology. Apply what you've learned. Whether you're considering a career in blockchain, planning to implement blockchain solutions in your business, or simply eager to share your newfound knowledge, take what you've learned and make a difference. Conclusion: today's lecture has been all about recapping and synthesizing the journey we've taken together through the world of blockchain. From understanding its core principles to exploring its vast applications and future possibilities, you now have a solid foundation in this transformative technology. Remember, blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. It's about creating a more transparent, secure, and efficient digital future. The course covers everything from basic concepts and technical details to practical applications and career opportunities. Every topic discussed is available on our YouTube channel, so you can always go back and review the lectures. Thank you for being a part of this journey with Edutube. We hope you found the course engaging, informative, and inspiring. As you move forward, whether you're pursuing a new career, integrating blockchain into your business, or simply staying curious about technology, remember that the future is built on knowledge, and you now hold a key part of that knowledge. If you enjoyed this course, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more educational content on blockchain and beyond. We look forward to bringing you more exciting courses and updates in the future. Until then, keep learning, stay curious, and embrace the digital. Happy learning, and see you in our next series. Thank you for watching, and we hope you continue to explore the exciting world of blockchain with us on Edutube.
Edutube, because education is mandatory.